All right, we're back. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is January 5th, 2020. I know yesterday I called it January 4th, 2019, just out of habit. Old habits hard to break there. It's going to be, I'll probably goof on that at least 5 more times. Sorry about that. Okay, BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. We have $7,372. Looking really good here. Continuing on the uptrend. Today we did get a higher high. I know we had been battling trying to get over that 7,400 mark. We did. We went up and hit that $7,488 mark, but then immediately got pullback. I think what this wick did is it basically paved the way for future candles to run higher. Now, this 50-day moving average that you see coming down here has been a bit of a problem in this area and in this area, and now we got rejection again. Let's see if we can basically punch through that, right? That area of resistance has been really, really difficult. We need to punch through that so we can get up and live into these areas for a little bit and see if we can't get Bitcoin to get up there. Okay, so BTC USD, stay in it. LTC BTC, stay in it also. I know we got in yesterday and looked really good today. Wow, nice movement to the upside. Very, very good. LTC BTC, stay in it. Very nice. Let's check levels. Yep, I love it. We got a long way to go. LTC USD on the 1 day chart for Coinbase, looking good. Stay in it. Yep, we got some nice lift in volume today. I really like this. This chart looks great. So Litecoin, stay in it. ETH BTC, Ethereum Bitcoin, stay in it. Looking good. Nice uptick right here with the Lucid SAR is the one that I'm using. We got a nice uptick right here. And Bollinger Bands are starting to squeeze, but if we start pushing on that upside, Ethereum might have a nice little run up here. We'll try to get up to the 200-day moving average and maybe rally in above this Kumo cloud. That would be fantastic. So right now, Ethereum, stay in it. Ethereum USD is $135.37. Stay in it. Looking good. We got a new high today. It pushed up as high as, it looks like around 139-ish. Yeah, about 139, and then it pulled back. But like I said, it could just about pave the way for us to move higher in the future. ETH USD, stay in it. XTZ BTC, Tezos, still on the down day today. I know we just got this new candle and it is pushing up a little bit, but I would stay out of it for now. We could come down a little bit further and test that 618 target. Okay, stay out of it. XTZ USD, Tezos USD, stay out of it also. Below the Kumo cloud now, we're officially bearish. Bitcoin Cash, BTC, let's take a look at that, and we're above that 200-day moving average on the downtrend here. Now, today, we did get a little bit more volume, but a pullback on the candle with a pretty big wick, and it pulled right back up. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this. Hopefully that 200-day will hold for a little while indicators like the 9-day moving average work their way up, along with the 50 and the 20-day moving average. But so far, we're getting some nice lift, and things look pretty good. If you see it break that 200-day, or you see it break that Kumo cloud, it could spell trouble. So right now, I'm going to say stay in it. Bitcoin Cash, BTC, stay in it, looking good. Bitcoin Cash, USD, same thing, actually, looking really good. I would stay in it also at $223.51. I like it. Stay in it. Ethereum Classic BTC, stay in it, looking good. Had a nice day today, really, really nice. We also broke through Parabolic SAR. We're now getting lift from that. Moving real good to the upside, and I love how RSI and God Mode are reacting to this. Ethereum Classic BTC, stay in it. How about Ethereum Classic USD at $4.94? We're about to break that $5 mark. We're on our way up, and indicators also look really good. We're moving here. This is great. I like this. All right, we're going to stay in it and see where it takes us. How about XRP BTC? Yesterday, we could not find it in our hearts to buy this, and we did have a little bit of a up, but it's not enough to buy it. I'm going to say XRP BTC, stay out of it. XRP USD, we did get in, however, and we did have a bit of an update today. That looks really good for the USD price. XRP USD is still a buy. Stay in it. Nicely done. EOS BTC. Let's check this one out. EOS BTC looking good on levels, and we had a nice little up day here, making sats. I like that. That's very good. EOS BTC, stay in it. EOS USD. Let's check this one out. And wow, had another good day. We're moving on up with the bodies of the candles, but wicks are starting to diminish, so we are kind of building like a triangle here. I would stay in it. It's looking healthy. We have a long way to go to the upside if we want to keep pushing. At EOS USD at $2.69, I would stay in it. Stellar Lumens BTC, stay out of it. XLM Stellar Lumens USD, stay out of this one too. I know it is above. Let's see. So God Mode indicator is right there. It's right on the edge. But I'm still not impressed with this right now. This is not impressive. So I'm just gonna let it ride, and we're just gonna let it go. We'll just leave it alone. All right, Rep BTC had a nice up day. We did get a close above the 9. That's wonderful. Let's see if we can shoot for a full open and close above the 9, and perhaps then we'll be interested in getting in it. But I would stay out of it for now. How about Rep USD? Boy, oh boy, nice day today. That's what we were looking for. Rep USD at $9.35. Looks like a buy, and we're getting in. That sounds good. All right, here's a green. Good job. All right, 0x BTC. 0x BTC, stay out of it. 0x USD. We're getting some uptick in volume, and we're almost there. Almost. It just is trading sideways. 0x. I can't get into it. Not yet. How about ZEC BTC? We got in on this day, and today we were rewarded with another up day. Looking good so far. Trading has been spot on with that. How about stay in it? ZEC USD is $30.69, and I would stay in that as well. Looking sharp. I like this. Algo USD. Now, we did get a pullback on Algo today, but it's holding the 9 rather well. And let's see if it can keep holding that. I mean, I like its position based on the chart, but and the RSI isn't totally dead either. It just needs to go higher. Okay, so we're gonna have to watch that. I would put a stop sell in right on that 9 today. Right, I would put that in as a red for a stop sell. Okay, and pull that down just a hair. What is that? 0.2277. If it wicks down, actually, I'm going to give it a little more breathing room. Probably, there you go. Is that right? Yeah, get it down there. 0.2266. And that's where I would put a stop sell in if it dumped below that. But Algo USD, let's give it a little room and let it run. See if it can, see if this one can take off. How about Link USD at $1.80? Still not a buy. I would stay out of it. BAT, basic attention token, stay in it, looking good. We had a little bit of a pullback today, but mostly trading to sideways. A little bit higher. We did get a higher high today, or a higher than yesterday high. But yeah, BAT, I would stay in it, and let's just see where the trend can take us. Trend is taking off. I like that. Stay in it. GNT USDC, stay out of it. Mana USD at 3.5 cents or 3.6. Wow, stay in it. Looking good. This looks sharp. I like this, and I like indicators also. Yeah, we're doing really good. Oh, I wanted to say for Mana here, and we can talk about another one too. I did put in a stop sell right here. If this one were to come down and break below that, we'd get out. Well, that obviously didn't happen. So let me just move this up here out of the way. And you want to try to preserve capital, right? So if it falls below that, then we'll get out there, right? So that's kind of how you could move it, right? There's your stop sell, and we'll pull this over to that one. There you go. So that just kind of ensures that all this profit that you made stays in your pocket, and you don't get wiped out with one big red candle coming down, and then suddenly you find yourself in a loss. This is just a trailing stop that helps kind of move it to the upside. Looking good. Mana USD, stay in it. Loom USD, you know what? I would put a stop sell on right below that 9 right there. We all know what the red dotted line is for. It's to get out of it. Actually, this did not backtest the 20, so I'm going to pull it below the 20. It's possible that it'll come down here and then start working its way back up again. Indicators are looking iffy right now, but they're not total sells yet. I like how this closed above the 9, even though it was red. That's fine. Okay, got a stop sell here. Preserve a little capital. Loom, stay in it. USD. How about Civic? Civic is... Boy, we've been looking for Civic. Boy, I thought we got in this, but I guess we didn't. Today was a pretty hard day, and it doesn't look like indicators are wanting to get in either. So I'm going to stay out of Civic. How about DNT USDC? Yeah, this is the other one I wanted to talk about. So DNT, looking good on indicators, not bad. This is what I wanted to say. This one came up here, right? We had a nice up day, and then I said, look, don't pay full price for it right here. Try to catch it on the 9 or cheaper. So I put a stop buy. That's what this blue line is for. This stop buy right there. And we got it, right? And I didn't acknowledge that yesterday. It actually wicked down a little lower to the 20-day moving average. But we did catch it right there as a buy. So when you look at this overall, you can think of that was your entry, and we made it all the way up here today. Okay. Now, what you could do is turn that into, now that you're in it, you can turn it into a stop sell, right? And put it in, I don't know, you could put it in right here, or you could put it in at the 9, whatever, tickles your fancy, but you're going to make a little bit of money. Give it some room to run. Move your stop buy up. There's stop sell now. And I'm going to change that over to a stop sell. There you go. So you know what that is. And yeah, looking good. Stay in it. I like this. It's good movement to the upside. Very good. All right, guys. Thank you. God bless you. Hope you had a great day today. Oh, I want to go over one more thing. Total market cap is at $192 billion. And for the daily chart, it's starting to move to the upside, and we're getting some lift here with the parabolic SAR or lucid SAR. And volume is increasing, looking really good. But Bitcoin dominance is kind of sad. It's been working its way down for about 2 weeks now. We've got a lot of overhead resistance, and we are now below the 20-day moving average and the 9. So this might accelerate to the downside. It's possible. So let's keep an eye on that. How about Others dominance? This is a different story right here. Others dominance has basically flatlined over here, right? It's just been trading sideways. So at first it got an initial pump to the upside, and now it's trading sideways. Hopefully, if you can look at this real close, we got a 9-day moving average starting to curl up. Hopefully it'll give a golden cross and start moving on up this way to the outside. Okay, that's it for today, guys. God bless you. We'll see you in the chat group, and I'm out of here. See ya.